Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how can you create a contact us form inside your Blogspot. It's pretty easy. This method is not going to contain the add gadget form, so it's going to be very simple page layout which will be containing your contact us form. Okay, so first you need to sign in your you have to sign into your Blogger account, and then you can see this is the contact us page that I use for my blog, and you can see it just looking this simple. There is no any other kind of mess up or anything, just a basic info and then the text boxes including name, your email, and just a message box. Okay, so here you do not require any coding. Without any code you can just create a page containing contact us form. Okay, so first you need to come down to the pages so that you can create a fresh new contact us page, or if you already have one you can edit that just like the way I have created. You have to click over new page and then you have to give the title if you want to give it, and then here you have two options for edit, the HTML and compose. Okay, so the service that we are going to use here is the Formspree. Okay, this is going to be helpful for everyone who want to have a contact us page with these details like HTML, Ajax, React, HTML with uploads. It supports multiple options, so you can go either of them. Okay, for now we are just going to use this one, and for that you need to create a project if you have not created anyone. So just begin with a simple create project. Okay, give it any name, and after that you will have a fresh ID and something. You can make changes if you have a pro edition, but as we are working with a free one we have to create a form. Here you can name anything. I'll just name it contact, and it will be sent with the email address, so make sure you have signed up with the right one. Okay, so here it has given us a very basic HTML code, so you have to copy this, and this will be the base foundation of your contact us form. Then you can design it if you know CSS or not, but in coming videos if it's possible I'll be giving you few well designed contact us CSS so that you can manage by yourself. So very basic things. If you would like to write, you can create lines, paragraph headings, whatever you want to give, and then you have to paste the code that we copied from Formspree. Okay, now if we go to the compose, you can see the base layout is right over there, but it's not up to the mark that we wanted actually, so you can put some breaks and so on, but I would recommend you, if you want to have this kind of layout, I'll give the link in the description, so you just have to copy the code from there and then you have to paste it here. Okay, so this is the page layout, and inside this you have to paste it. Okay, so first let me copy here the code. You have to copy from the style because style contains the CSS code, so you have to copy the entire one, but the main thing is you have to replace it with the Formspree unique link that will be given with the ended characters. Okay, so you just have to replace that. So this is the thing that I'm talking about. Okay, and that you have to replace with this one. You will have your own special charactered Formspree code, then you have to replace it. Okay, so I've just pasted it, and now I will replace this with the code we just got with our Formspree. Okay, so you just have to paste it here. Now if we go to the preview, you can see what kind of appearance it has now. So you can see it does have the name, text, message, everything aligned in a cool way. Okay, so now you can publish it or whatever you want to make changes with it, like you can create different colors and all if you know how to code. Otherwise you do not require any coding, just like I said before. You just have to copy and paste this and just have to replace the last ID of your Formspree code with this given code. Okay, now let's see if it's working or not. So I have written a very basic query, message, whatever you want to say. Let's hit send, and it's done. So if you go back to your assigned email now, you will be notified with the message, or if you have uploaded it with some attachment, all will be sent to your email address. All right, so you can see we are notified with the message we written over our blog, and that way you will be notified. Okay, so it was just very basic, and without any coding knowledge, you do not require it. You can easily create contact us form inside your blog or website or WordPress, anywhere you want to have it, you can just have it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what's your thought, and comment if you want more themes for your contact us form page. Thanks for watching.